it's hot and I'm sitting in the truck in the air conditioning trying to get cooled off. Build us a knee wall down the center of the roof. Good morning, everyone. Coming to you from on top of the roof where we're getting ready to, sun is bright, we're getting ready to build us a knee wall down the center of the roof, and then that was going to support our new rafters. So what's going to happen is we're going to come right here along the ridge from end to end. We're going to build us a 24-inch knee wall. And so what's going to happen, it's going to set down along here. Our new rafters are going to sit on that end down there. We're going to raise it up to about a 412. So you can see the change in pitch. That's roughly 412. We measured it earlier. So that's going to give us some additional attic space. We're going to get some overhang, and it's going to allow us to have room to put our duct work in. So let's go ahead and get started. what we're going to do here is, now that we've cut back the rafter tails from the existing rafter, we've cut them back. Get over here without falling off the roof. We've cut them back 1.5 inches off the edge of the house here, and we're going to take a 2x6 and lay on here. It'll extend up on top of here, and that'll be our new ledger board, and we'll set our top cord of our new rafters on top of that, and they'll extend up the roof. That will make our new top cord, and we'll just put one all the way down this edge of this roof, and we'll screw them off into the ends of these rafter tails so that we get everything good and secure. Alright, so there it is, all the way down. Now that's going to be our new support for our new top cords on top of our roof, and we'll do the same on the front side of the house. Alright, so here's the idea. Got us a 2-foot knee wall along the ridge. We cut everything back so we can set on the existing rafters. Added benefit, it's going to ventilate the under part of the ceiling. That's going to be the pitch. That's going to be the pitch of our roof over. It's 4 and 12 now, and we've run this down the entire length of this part of the roof. Once we get this part over here reframed, we'll extend it on out and everything will tie together. Our air conditioning ducts will go right on top of the roof here, and we'll insulate them. The air handler is going to be right below this spot right here, between these two rafters here and here. This is where the plenum is going to be, and then we'll come in, we'll run off our ducts to each side and drop them down, because what we're standing on here, this deck, is actually going to be the bottom cord of our new truss, and it's going to be the ceiling. And so goes the end of another day. Managed to get all the roof straightened out, ready for the new rafters going on. And we got the addition, old crappy addition, tore off. That was last week. I don't know if I got that video out yet or not, but it's hot and I'm sitting in the truck in the air conditioning trying to get cooled off. Thought the gnats were going to carry me away. If you don't know what a gnat is, come here. They're horrible. You know, they swarm around. They're like mosquitoes except for during the day. They don't bite, they just annoy the hell out of you. And I gotta get a haircut. This is horrible. Anyway, I'm tired. And I'm gonna head home, get a shower, and relax. And we'll do it all again tomorrow. Not sure what we're gonna do on the agenda for tomorrow. Probably gonna work on getting some stumps cleaned up. And get prepped and ready to put in the concrete slab where we're going to raise it up. But slowly but surely it's going to come into a house again, and it'll be livable. It'll like the $6 million man. Hopefully we don't spend that much money on it though, but we can make it better than it was. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.